Be sure to be careful. The temperatures outside are hellish. Ha! Ha! Good morning, everybody. My name is StellaaCow, and thank you so much for being here for this cosplay makeup tutorial. So today we will be getting into Millie from Helluva Boss, and this is going to be very, very, very different than my normal cosplays. Millie is in fact completely red. So we have to figure out how we're going to do that. Honestly, when it comes to stuff like that, I don't even know if I use primer, if I do any of that. So we're just going to go for it. You know, we're just going to go for it, see how it goes. I'm using the CC Beauty Face and Body Stick. And basically what I did, all right? So I ordered a red bodysuit online. So that should cover my whole body. So I don't know if it gets my hands. I'm not sure if it gets my hands, but it'll cover my body. So I won't have to worry about that. That was a huge thing for me because I didn't want to paint myself completely red, you know? So let us just start attacking our face more or less. We'll see how this goes. Okay, so. Yep, that sure is red. Maybe I need to like use a brush. We're learning together, okay? This actually is not taking that long. No, it's really not. So this really is red. So one thing that's going to be different with this cosplay is we can't contour with our normal shadows or color palettes. We had to change everything to like shades of darkened red and stuff. I'm trying to see, is basically all of my skin covered? This is so much. This really is a lot. Look at my brush. Oh my gosh, it's completely red. That is so weird. Okay, so let's get some more on the neck area. Okay, so we are now fully red. I look like Carrie whenever she had the blood poured on her. Okay, so here's our eyeshadow palette. Again, it looks distressed. Let's go ahead and I just scratched myself and now my hands are completely red. Yes, that did just happen. I cannot believe that. Okay, so I don't even know where to begin. I don't know where to begin. So we're going to start contouring, I guess. Or is it best for me to try to set my face with powder? I think I need to get my eyebrows a little bit more and my forehead a bit more. It should be covered by the wig, but we just want to make sure it's nice and even. Yep, I am in fact red. Yep, fully red. Let's get my chin. This looks so weird. So weird. Okay, so I'm kind of at a loss. So I'm just going to take some red eyeshadow and just put it on my face. Kind of try to like seal this in. So another part about Millie is she has black lips, right? So I don't have a black lip liner. We're just going to try to use black eyeliner as a lip liner. Okay, well, that's how it's going to be. This black lipstick really moves around. So I'm just going to add some black eyeshadow to it, hopefully to keep it from moving as much. I want to contour, but I don't know what colors I would need to contour. Let's look. We could do a normal highlight with the white. Yeah. And then, I don't know, brownish red, maybe for a nose contour. Do we see the line? Yeah, let's just... Oh my God, that is so dark. Okay. We won't do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so let me go ahead and use this to try buff it out a little bit. That has black on it. Okay. Let's just try to fix this as best as we can. Oh my God. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. That's awful. Okay. I think that it worked. Okay. So since we did that, we have to go back in with the red and try to reset it. Let's go back in and we'll try contouring again. This time we won't screw it up. This should help. Do I have any clean fingers? I'm trying to find any fingers that aren't contaminated with the red. I think this hand is safe. So we're going to do this. We're going to add a little nose situation. Oh my Lord. We're going to add a little nose situation and then up the bridge. Oh, he's up the bridge. Up the bridge. We're going to add white under here. And we're going to add white here as well. Okay. Doing our eyeliner. Our eyeliner is going to be challenging, right? Oh my God, I look crazy. Okay, so I think in regards to the makeup, I've gotten as far as we're going to get. Probably have to do my hands still, which I'm going to do the same thing I did with my face, you know. Take the stick, go all over my hands, all of that fun stuff. Let me use some setting spray because we need to set this. We cannot have this move. I will cry. Millie has black brows, which I just realized we need to do. So we're going to take our normal brows and just draw them as black. Let's see if we see a difference. We can. Okay. So here we got the brows. Millie also has a little beauty mark, so let's draw that on. Here we are. We'll go get into the cosplay. Hello. So as you can see, we're downstairs. I got the lights on. I will drop a photo of what this cosplay looks like over on this side or this side. I'm not sure which side yet because I don't want to stand up. I just wrapped up doing one ASMR video for Miss Millie, Miss Silly Millie. And thank you for being here for my getting ready video. I had a time. As you can see, the reds kind of evaporated off of my neck somehow. So I put a necklace here to keep it like up so you don't see it as much. I'll try to figure out another way to fix that. Probably if I put more paint on. Oh, also I didn't have to end up painting my hands because these do come with little gloves. I'm glad I thought about that while I was ordering this. So thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. If you would like to see any other characters cosplayed or with their makeup done, comment down below. If you like Helluva Boss, be sure to subscribe because I have lots of Helluva Boss coming up. And thank you so much for being here. I hope you have a lovely day. And be sure to be careful. The temperatures outside are hellish. Ha! Ha! Ha ha! Joke! Sorry, that was lame. I hope you guys have a great day. And I'll catch you in the next one. See ya. Bye.